Hello, my dear family members. Deloitte started hiring, and many of you are selected for the first round. And the first round is going to be conducted within very few days. As you know, in NLA 3.0, coding questions will play a major role. So today we will discuss a coding question which was asked recently and repeated twice. So let's focus on the questions. By the way, to make you more prepared, I have arranged Deloitte premium materials in which you will have all the previous year coding questions, previous year quants questions, and many mock tests. So if you want, then knock me at my Insta ID instagram.com/tekno.uf. I will give you. Okay, let's see what are the questions. So the question is regarding process string, right? And the question was asked on August 2022, and this was repeated on 2023 again, right? So I didn't get the full question, but the question's main gist is this, right? So you'll be given an input. This is an alphanumeric string and which consists letter and number, and output is a single numeric string which denotes the positions of all the numbers inside the alphanumeric string, right? So here's the sample input ABC 65D19HY09, and the output is this, and this is the second input and the second output is this. Okay, let me explain it. It will be more clear, right? So the first input was this, right? So ABC 65D19HY09, right? So what are the positions of every digit? 651909 are the only digits present inside the alphanumeric string. So 0 is at the 10th position and 9 is at the 11th position. 6 is at the 3rd position and 5 is at the 4th position, 1 is at the 6th position, 9 is at 7th position. So output should be like 3, 4, 6, 7 and 10, 11, right? So this should be the output of this string, of this alphanumeric character. Okay, now tell me what will be the output for this alphanumeric string. So the position of every digits, let me find it. So 0 1 2 is at 0 1 2 position, sorry, 0 1 2, and the position of 5 and 2 is at 7 8, right? So output should be 0 1 2 7 8, right? Okay, so the only digits present inside second input, that is 0 1 2 and 5 2, and the positions of all the digits are 0 1 2 7 8, right? So this way we have to print all the positions of the characters, all the numbers inside the alphanumeric character, alphanumeric string, right? So I hope you understood what you have to do. So if you can solve, then please solve the problem and give the answers in the comment section. And please, if you can't solve, let me know. I will explain in the comment section as well, right? So I'll now solve the problem using Java. So if you want the solution in Python, then let me know in the comment section. I will give you, right? So just understand the logic and implement in Python. This will be more easier, right? Okay. So at first, let me take the input. So what's the input? Alphanumeric characters, right? So string, let's say s is equal to, we'll take the input from the user, right? So let me define the scanner class object. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and as we are using scanner class, so let import the util dot sorry import java dot util dot scanner class, yeah, start, right? So the input is sc dot next line. Okay, sorry. So we have taken the sample input right now. So what's the next task? That is, we have to find where are the numbers or digits present and print that position, right? So in Java, there is a class character, right? So we'll use to solve this problem. So let's see. So at first we have to iterate through all the elements present inside this alphanumeric string, right? So whatever digits or letters are present inside this, we have to iterate through all the elements. So for that, what we have to do, that is we have to run a for loop, and we have to go from 0 to last index. So from I is equal to 0 to s dot length, right? So we'll iterate through all the elements, right? Okay. So now what we will do, that is we'll extract every character at a moment, and we'll check if this is alphabetic. If this is alphabetic, then ignore this, and if this is not alphabetic, then print the position, right? So let's extract a single character, right? So how would we extract that? So is that char at, this is a string function by which we'll extract a single character from a string, right? So s dot caret I. So we are now extracting first element at first. So we'll check if this is alphabetic. If this is alphabetic and this is alphabetic, is a method inside character class, right? So this character class is also from java.lang class, java.lang package, right? So we should have imported the java.lang package, but we are not doing, because by default java.lang package imported, right? So we would not have to import the java.lang.character, right? So what is dot caret I returning? That is a single character, and this is alphabetic, taking an argument. This is the argument is a character, and this is returning true or false, I mean in boolean, right? So we have to check if this is not alphabetic. So we'll print that, right? So system dot out dot println, sorry, print, system dot out dot print I, just position, right? So I hope this will be fine. Okay, so let's see if this is giving right output or not. So So the first input was A B C 65D19 HY09, and output should be 34671011 as expected, right? Okay, so run for the second input, that was 012 ABDH, right? So 012 A B D H 52, right? So output should be 01278, and as expected, right? So I hope you understood, right? If you want the solution in C++ or in Python, I think in Python there is a method called isAlpha, which will return true or false in the basis of if this is a character or not, right? So I hope you will solve the problem in which you are proficient. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Capgemini or Deloitte or Accenture or anything you want, right? So thank you for today's session.